Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when OneDrive is stuck on sign in screen. So you're not able to log into the OneDrive. So there are multiple steps. So at the end of each step, try to launch OneDrive. Still you're facing the problem, then move on to the next step. Now the first step is to enter right username and password in Windows credentials. For that, first of all, close OneDrive. So click on OneDrive and then click on help and settings and then click on close OneDrive. And once OneDrive is closed, open run box. You can just type in run, and in the run box type in control and then click on OK to open control panel, or you can simply type in control and then click on control panel and then click on user accounts, then click on credential manager and then click on Windows credentials. And over here you can see OneDrive cache credential. Click on it, click on this down arrow and then click on edit. Over here enter your username and password and then click on save and then try to launch OneDrive. Now still you're facing the problem, then you can come back to the control panel and again click on this down arrow and then this time you can click on remove and then click on yes. And then you can go ahead and launch OneDrive. And that should go ahead and fix the problem. Now still you are unable to log into OneDrive, then reset OneDrive. So copy this location. The location is provided in the video description and paste it in Windows search box and then click on this location. And this will go ahead and reset OneDrive and then you can launch the OneDrive once again. The next step is to uninstall and reinstall OneDrive. To uninstall OneDrive, go to the start menu, then click on settings, go to apps and find OneDrive in the list and then click on Microsoft OneDrive and then click on uninstall. Click on yes to allow. Now once this is uninstalled, go to this location. So open File Explorer, then go to this PC, open C drive, then open the Windows folder. Scroll down and here you can see WinSXS. So open this folder and over here go ahead and type in OneDrive setup. So just type in OneDrive setup in search box and then click on this arrow and it will search OneDrive setup. So here you can see OneDrive setup. Make a double click on OneDrive setup and it will reinstall OneDrive. Now after it's done installing, you can go ahead and log in. It will take some time to update OneDrive, so just wait for some time. Now after some time the OneDrive should be up, and if it's asking for login, you can go ahead and log in, or it will straight away log in automatically and it should be working fine. Now you can also download the OneDrive from Microsoft Store, or you can use this link. It will straight away take you to Microsoft website, and from here you can go ahead and click on download and you can go ahead and install OneDrive in case if this option does not work. The next step is to use OneDrive installed from Microsoft Store. So if still you're facing the problem, then you can open Microsoft Store and in the search you can go ahead and type in OneDrive and then click on OneDrive app and then you can install OneDrive. Now once the download is complete, you will see the launch option. Click on launch, and then you can go ahead and log into your Microsoft account, to your OneDrive account. So if it is asking for your username and password, just enter your username and password, and then you should start using OneDrive. So you can also use it from this app. So one of the steps should definitely help you to log into your OneDrive and start using OneDrive. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.